Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to solve logarithmic equations using the properties of logarithms. Let's start with the first one, equality rule. So sa equality rule natin, meron tayo ditong log base B. Okay, so ang base natin ay B. At yung argument natin, ito yun, will be M or N. If you have this kind of equation, log base B, para sila ng base, ang arguments mo, tong M at N ay equal. So let's have an example. So sa equation natin, we have log base 10, tapos meron tayo ditong 5x minus 1 is equal to log base 10 of 3x. So parehas sila ng base, so yung arguments mo na 5x minus 1 at 3x ay equal. Equal yan. So, algebra lang siya. Kailangan mo lang, hanapin mo na yung value ng x. So, lipat mo yung 3x sa kabila, yung negative 1 dito. So, that will be 2x equal to 1. And x is equal to 1 half. So, check natin kung tama ba yung x. So, substitute mo lang yung value ni x. So, 5 times 1 half minus 1 is equal to log base 10 of 3 times 1 half. So, 5 times 1 half, that will be 2.5 minus 1 dito sa kaliwa at sa kanan naman will be 1.5. 2.5 minus mo ng 1 ay 1.5 at sa kanan, syempre 1.5 din. So, dahil parehas sila equal, so tama tayo. Okay, next one, product rule. Product rule naman states that kung may log base B ka with an argument M, plus mo ng log base B with the argument N, at parehas sila ng base, which is B, magiging log base B, M times N siya. So, kukunin mo lang yung product ng dalawang argument. Let's have the example. Sample equation natin is log base 3 of x plus log base 3 the quantity x minus 6 is equal to 3. Again, parehas sila ng base. So, at may plus sign dito. So, kung magpa-plus sign ka ng dalawang logs with the same base, you can multiply the arguments. So, that will be, magiging ganda siya. Log base 3x times the quantity x minus 6. So, distribute mo lang yung x dun sa, dito sa factor na to. That will be log base 3 x squared minus mo ng 6x. Ngayon, paano natin siya isa-solve? Remember your exponential form. So that will be 3 cubed, yung 3 mapupunta dito. So color-coded naman siya, is equal to the quantity x squared minus 6x. So simplify mo yung 3 cubed, that will be 27. Now, we will get a trinomial. So 0 is equal to x squared minus 6x minus 27. Okay na siya. Gagawin natin para makuha yung value ni x, i-factor mo na siya. So, pag factor mo, you have the quantity x minus 9 times the quantity x plus 3. So, ito yung sagot. Ito yung pag factor mo yung x squared minus 6x minus 27. So, to find the value of x, that will be x is equal to 9 or x is equal to negative 3. Ngayon, so check natin siya kung anong gagamitin natin ng value ng x, kung 9 ba or negative 3. Let's find out. Simulan natin muna sa x is equal to 9. So, substitute mo lang yung 9 dito at dito. So, log base 3, 9 plus log base 3, 9 minus 6. So, that will be log base 327 kasi multiply mo lang siya. Ngayon, log base 327 equals 3. Exponential form, 3 cubed is 27. So that's correct. True, kasi this is 27, right? Next, paano pag negative 3? So substitute mo lang yung negative 3 dito. Let's find out. Log base 3 of negative 3 plus log base 3 of the quantity negative 3 minus 6. is equal to 3. And false, kasi logs of negative numbers, like this one, logs of negative numbers are undefined. So, makakuha ka ng imaginary number dito. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging solution. So, ang solution lang natin ay, balikan natin. Ang solution lang natin ay yung x is equal to 9 dito sa problem na to, or sa equation na to. Let's move on to quotient rule. So, paano pag kanina plus siya, ngayon minus naman? So, we have log base b of m minus 1 ng log base b of n. Ngayon, so quotient rule, pag kanto, same base naman at magmaminus ka, it will be like this. Log base b of m over n. So, kung ano yung nauna, so daan na una yung m, sa taas siya. At dahil nahuli to, sa baba siya. Yun lang yun. Yun, let's have a sample equation. A log base 6 of 10x minus log base 6 of 5 is equal to 2. So, they have the same base and minus tayo dito. So, you have to use quotient rule para ma-simplify mo yung log. So, that will be log base 6 of 10x. So, ito na una. At denominator natin, that will be 5. Okay, so, simplify mo lang muna siya. 10x over 5, that will be 2x. Dahil medyo okay na siya, you have to use, transform it to exponential form. So that will be 6 square, so color-coded siya dito, is equal to 2x. Simplify 6 square, that will be 36, is equal to 2x. And x is equal to 18, or 18 is equal to x. Now, let's check kung tama ba tayo. X is equal to 18. Substitute mo lang yung 18 dito. So, log base 6 of 180 minus log base 6 of 5 is equal to 2. So, quotient rule, 180 over 5, that will be 36. So, exponential form, 6 square is equal to 36. And yes, this is true. So 6 squared is 36, right? Okay, let's move on to the next property ng logarithms. So we have power rule. So pag power rule, we have p log base b of m is equal to log base b m to the p power. So ano ba yung p? So that will be the coefficient dun sa tabi ng log. So it can be 1, 2, 3. Nasabi dito sa rule na to, pag may coefficient ka dito, masusimplify mo siya by putting the coefficient at magiging exponent siya ng argument. So, magiging yung p, mapupunta magiging m to the p power like this one. So, let's have the sample equation na lang. We have 2 log base 3 of x is equal to 4. Ngayon, paano mo siya isa-simplify? It will be log base 3 of x squared. So, yung 2 mapupunta na siya dito sa variable na to. Magiging exponent na siya. Ngayon, dahil na-simplify na siya, you can do the exponential form. Okay, transform it. 3 to the 4th power. So, again, color-coded naman siya. Makikita nyo paano siya na-transform. Is equal to x squared. Ngayon, 3 to the 4th power, that will be 81. Is equal to x squared. And to simplify it, get the square root of both sides, and you will get an answer of x is equal to plus or minus 9. Now, or yes, 9 or negative 9. Check muna natin kung ano yung tatanggapin natin, kung it's either 9 or negative 9. So let's check 9. 2 log base 3 of x equal to 4. So that will be 2 log base 3 of 9 is equal to 4. That will be log base 3, 9 square. So again, yung 2, magiging exponent siya dito. And now, 9 square is 81. So exponential form, 3 to the 4th is 81. And 3 to the 4th is 81 is equal to 81. So that is true. So okay tayo dito. Paano naman kung negative 9? So you have 2 log base 3 of x is equal to 4. And again, logs of negative numbers are undefined. And sir, bakit ganun? May pwede mo naman ikarga yung 2 dito, maging exponent, so mawawala yung negative. Not by a long shot. So, I've already checked it sa calculator at na-check ko na rin kay Engineer Enrico Ponsalan. Thank you very much for the clarification. I really appreciate this one. Natanong ko rin yan, paano nga akong may to dito or even number? So, para mawala yung negative sign dito, not by a long shot. Cannot be. So, again, kahit may even number na coefficient sa tabi ng log, hindi pa rin pwede. Kung negative ka na dito, it's undefined. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Change of base. So change of base, we have log base b of m is equal to log m over log b. Okay, sir, nawala yung base. Take note, okay, so take note, pag dito, may 10 yan. Again, pag wala ang base, matik yun na 10. So let's have the sample equation. Log base 3 of 5 is equal to x. So, pag ganyan, change of base, ano ba technique dito para matandaan natin? Ang maliit na number, yung base, lagi siya nasa baba. At yung malaking number, yung argument, that will be on top of lagi. So, you have log 5 of over log 3. And again, take note, sabi ko nga kanina, pag walang base, matik yan ang base natin dito ay 10. So, same lang siya. Kung wala base dito, 10 yun. Yun. Going back, simplify na natin siya. Kailangan mo talaga gumamit ng calculator dito. Log of 5 is 0.699 ... At ang log 3 naman, that will be 0.477 ... If you want to get an accurate answer, you have to use a scientific calculator, tapos dapat diretso mo siyang ilalagay. Katulad nito, log base 5 fraction, log base 3, and you will get a nice answer. More accurate answer, I mean. So, ang sagot ay 1.464973521. So, ginawa ko na lang siyang 1.465. Again, depende yan sa rounding rules nyo ng professor nyo, teacher nyo, o dun sa significant figures, kung applicable man. Alright, so let's have the last rule. We have the reciprocal rule. So, log base b of m is equal daw sa 1 over log base m of b. So, nagpalit lang. So, if you want to do the switcheroo, or kung gusto mo lang i-switch yan, you just get the reciprocal. So, let's have an equation. Log base 2 of 7 is equal to 1 over x. Ngayon, papansin mo, okay, yung x natin ay nasa denominator at 1 lang naman siya. So, if you want to switch it, para makuha mo yung value ng x agad, at kung 1 lang naman to, just do it like this. Pagpalitin mo lang yung base and argument. So, the answer will be log base 7 of 2 is equal to x. Ngayon, dahil this is not a neat number, you can use change of base para makuha yung value nito. So that will be log 2 over log 7. Again, yung argument palagi nasa taas at yung base palagi nasa baba. You have to use a calculator to find the value of x. So log 2 is 0.301 at ang log 7 natin is 0.845 ... So the final answer we'll get, so again, sa calculator dapat diretso. And x is equal to 0.356. So, na-round down, na-estimate ko na lang siya. And that's the end of the lesson on how to solve logarithmic equations using properties of logarithms. I have another video about introduction of logarithms at yung mga iba pang videos about logarithms, that will be in the description box. I will upload it. So, i-upload ko din siya sa future, lalagay ko din siya. And if you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, o kung may assignment kayo, I will do my best to answer it. As long as connected siya dun sa topic. And I also have a Facebook page. Kakagawa ko lang siya. I'll post it. I'll post the link sa description box. Please like and please like na rin. I will really appreciate it. And again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification para updated kayo sa bagong videos ng math and language. Thank you and goodbye!